day for me, and my dream, whatever my dream was, it came true today. So then for this, I would like to thank our producer and director Srinivas Garu for trusting me and for believing me and for casting me everything. And I would heartily thanks for Johnny Master who trusted me and who means made me feel like the thing which want we do, we should have confidence in that. So actually నేను ఏంటంటే D నుంచి వచ్చాను. సో నేను D చేశాను. D చేసి I did D11. So there master came as a judge and I was like, it was a dream not for me, it will be a dream for everyone to assist master in his song. So by God's grace I got the opportunity to assist master and everything. So నేను చాలా సాంగ్స్ చేశాను మాస్టర్ అసిస్టెంట్ లాగా. చాలా సాంగ్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఏమంటారు అది అంటే మా అదృష్టమా లక్కీనెస్ మా అదృష్టం అంటే మాస్టర్ నాకు